Okay, this one has a lot of pieces in it, right? Because not only do we have fractions, we have brackets, we have exponents, we have addition, subtraction, division. Really all we're missing is the multiplication. So this has all the different pieces of BEDMAS. We're going to have to work through them. So very quickly, B, E, D, M, A, S. Remember that's in what order they appear. So it looks like we do need to start with the brackets. Okay? And this bracket forces us to do a common denominator of 12. We actually looked at the common denominator of 12 in the last video. This is 8 over 12 and this is 9 over 12. Right? Now, a couple other things that we can do here just to save a line. It's not very nice to work with them as a mixed numeral. It's a lot easier to work with them as fractions. So it won't affect anything if at the same time we make this 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. And then we go here. Okay? We've done our brackets, done with our brackets. We're on to our exponents. Okay? Now, we haven't really done the brackets, so have we? We do need to do one other thing. We do need to make this 17 over 12, right? 17 over 12. Now we're done our brackets. And now we're on to our exponents. Okay? Minus. Now we're dealing with our exponents. Well, this is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Okay, so that's going to be 1 over 8. Okay? Remember quickly, this is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, because here's the exponent 3. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so that's 1 over 8. Right? So, now we've done the exponents. Okay? So, division or multiplication, well, we have a division. Remember when you're dividing fractions, times, take the reciprocal, 3 over 7, and then we leave the minus 1 over 8. Okay? All right, so now we end up with 51. Took me a second there. 17 times 3 is 51. Over 12 times 7 is 84. Minus 1 over 8. Now, the common denominator is going to get pretty big here, but what I notice is I can reduce this. Okay? I notice I can divide a 3 out of both. The common ones you should check for reducing is if 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 go into the numerator and the denominator. Those are the most common ones. And I checked, I know 3 does. So 3 goes into 51 17 times. And 3 goes into 84 28 times. Okay. Now, that's still not going to make for a really nice common denominator, but it will make for a smaller one. So we go here, and we say, what's the common denominator of 8 and 28? Well, 8 does not go into 28, so 28 times 2 is 56. 8 does go into 56, so I need a common denominator of 56. What do I have to do to 28 to get 56? I have to multiply it by 2. 17 times 2 is 34. 8 times 7 is 56, so 1 times 7 is 7. I have 34 minus 7 in the numerator. Remember, when you're subtracting fractions, the denominator does not change. It's only subtracting the numerator, the tops. And 34 minus 7 is 27. And it's 27 over 56. And 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I can't find a number. So that would be your answer in lowest terms. Okay? And we'll do the other one on this page in a separate video.